Welcome back to our channel, Fast Cabling. So are you tired of Wi-Fi dead zone in your home or office? Then in this video, we're about to revolutionize the way you extend your Wi-Fi signal. Forget about the traditional method. Today, we're diving into the world of PoE and composite fiber optic cable to supercharge your Wi-Fi coverage. So in the realm of modern connectivity, Wi-Fi has become an indispensable part of our daily lives. However, common issues like signal dropout, dead zones, and fluctuating speed can be challenges, especially in large or obstructed spaces. So to address this concern, wireless access point has proven instrumental in extending network coverage and improving overall performance. So today we are going to delve into the robust solution that combines the power of wireless access point with the efficiency of PoE and composite fiber optic cable. So PoE revolutionizes the way we transmit power and data over network cables, eliminating the need for separate power sources. And in the context of Wi-Fi extension, PoE technology simplifies installation, offering a single cable for both power and data transfer to devices like the wireless access point. On the other hand, traditional fiber optic cables are renowned for their data transmission capability, but lack the ability to carry power. And the introduction of composite fiber optic cable merged the strength of both technologies, enables the simultaneous transmission of power and data. And this innovative solution not only ensures efficient and reliability data transfer, but also provides a robust power supply to connected devices, making it an ideal choice for extending Wi-Fi networks seamlessly and effectively. So composite fiber optic cables present a multitude of advantages for extending Wi-Fi network. Firstly, its ability to deliver higher data transfer rate and broader bandwidth ensure optimal performance, facilitating faster and more efficient data transmission. Additionally, composite fiber optic cable boasts immunity to electromagnetic interference, providing a more stable and reliable connectivity experience. And this feature is particularly crucial in an environment where electronic devices and potential sources of interference are prevalent. Furthermore, the cable's lightweight and durable nature make it well suited for outdoor installation, ensuring resilience in various weather conditions and environment. Overall, the use of composite fiber optic cable enhances the reliability and performance of Wi-Fi network extension. So to embark on a Wi-Fi extension project using composite fiber optic cable, you need several essential materials and tools. And this includes a fiber media converter with SFP slot, the fiber optic cable, small form factor pluggable modules, and some basic tools. And the fiber media converter serves as the backbone of the setup, converting electrical signal to optical signal for efficient data transmission. And the SFP transceiver, which plug into the fiber media converter, enable the flexibility to use different types of fiber optic cables. And basic tools such as cable cutters, strippers are essential for proper installation. So now let me introduce you to our compact fiber media converter. So this compact media converter is a practical device to finish fiber to Ethernet signal conversion for IP cameras or other devices in long-distance fiber network system, and is cost-effective for fiber optic networking device, and can supply up to 10 kilometers fiber optical network between point A and point B. The compact size can transfer into IP network with no need to configure, and it's easy to use. Just plug and play. So this one right here is our waterproof fiber PoE media converter. Now this is a crucial tool allowing enterprise to utilize fiber optic link and supply PoE over long distance even at outdoor environment. And it comes with a wide range operating temperature from -20 degrees up to 60 degrees and a carrier grade electrical protection to against lightning and other power surge. And it can backward comply with both 30 watts PoE plus 802.3 AT and 14.4 watts 802.3 AF standard, delivering a maximum of 30 watts output power to meet various IP devices. And besides, with the feature of wide input voltage range from 24 volt to 56 volt DC, so you're up to choose different power supply to meet your need. And I'm going to place it over here. And you can see our 48 volt power supply can power up our PoE media converter. So next, we'll do the connection together. So here is our router. I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect our router to our indoor media converter, so you can convert electrical power into optical signal. And then I'm going to plug in the SFP transceiver, since this is where we connect with the fiber optic cable, just like this. And the media converter is already powered up. Now I'm going to plug in the fiber optic cable from our composite fiber optic cable. It has 2 strings. Now we're going to use string A. Plug it in here. And for the wire, I already attached it to our 48 volt power supply. So now the composite fiber optic cable is getting both power and data. Coming over here, we can see the splitway. Those are the wire to power up our media converter, and this is our fiber optic cable. I use a coupler to join this with a fiber patch cord. And now I'm going to connect it with our outdoor media converter. Plug it into the SFP transceiver and put it inside the media converter. Just like this. And you can see the indicated lights are on since it's already getting the power. Last but not least, I'm going to use the Ethernet cable to connect with our outdoor media converter, so our wireless access point is getting the power and data that it needs. So the whole connection is done now using our composite fiber optic cable, the outdoor media converter, and the indoor media converter. And when choosing components, consider factors such as compatibility, data transfer speed, and the environment in which the setup will be deployed. And this ensures that materials selected align with the specific needs of your Wi-Fi extension project, providing a robust and efficient solution. And to stay updated on more insightful tutorial and tech solution, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel FASTCABLING and hit the like button. Your engagement and feedback are invaluable, so please feel free to share your experience or ask any question in the comment section below. And thank you very much for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more informative content in the future.